Hey guys, this is Kyle with BISH'S RV in Junction City, Oregon. Today I'm going to show you a 2022 Wildwood Heritage Glen Hyperlight 270 FKS. If you like any features of this video, please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos. It really helps us out. So let's go ahead and take a look at this rig. You got the fiberglass front cap here with some LED lights. It does have that window in the front, so this is going to be a super cool thing to be able to see in the front of your coach. Right here, you also got an outdoor kitchen. Check this out. When you're barbecuing with the family or just making food and you don't want it to smell up your rig, this is a place for it, right? So you got the hibachi type grill here, as well as the refrigerator, so you can keep your food in there as well. Super, super nice. This does come with power stabilizer jacks as well, so instead of having to get your drill and actually, drill the jacks down or just manually do it, you can just do it with the push of a button. Super easy, convenient, anyone can do it, and including you. So this one's got an awning, obviously you can see. It's also got the LED lights. This does come equipped with solar, so virtually your batteries will never die because there's always a constant charge happening to your batteries. So if you dry camp a lot or you stay on a property or something like that, your batteries will be okay because it's got this solar on it. Come on inside here. Right when you come in, your controls are gonna be on your right-hand side, as well as a coat rack. That's really, really nice and convenient. Yeah, come on here. Check out the closet as soon as you come in too, so you can put shoes. Here, I'll just go this side so I can hold it open, or any other things that you'd want in there. The FKS, this is a front kitchen model. So if you want a lot of space for your kitchen, for all the people who like to cook a lot and prep food and stuff like that, this is the one for you for sure. So look at all this counter space. Really, really nice countertops. You also got the kitchen essentials, obviously, the microwave, the 3-burner stove cooktop, as well as the oven, in case you wanted to bake a pizza or something like that. You also got some storage here on the top. I mean, gosh, this is awesome. Like, this is very, very spacious, and you got that front window, so while you're washing your dishes or making food, you can just go and take a look out on that front window. See the kids playing or everyone just hanging out over there. Really, really awesome. You also got this fridge as well as the freezer here. The nice size fridge. You got the AC unit at the top. You also can see right here on this slide out, it's got the accent lighting at the top there, which is a really nice touch design wise. You also got some a dinette here as well. This does convert into a sleeping space. You got storage underneath there as well. Super nifty and nice. You also got the theater seating here, okay? It's got some cup holders on here so you can enjoy your coffee or your beer or anything like that while you're watching the TV. It's just right there, ready to enjoy. You also got the radio as well as the, what do we call this? The fireplace. I had a little moment there, huh? But yeah, so that's really, really awesome. So this also has a dual entry door from the bathroom and the living space, as well as your bedroom space. So come and take a look in the bathroom. Really nice in the corner here, tucked away. It's also got the nice material here as well. It's not like the, really just kind of like paper type thing that you see with the sliding curtains or anything like that. You also got the sink, as well as some storage here on the side and on the bottom here, and as well as the medicine cabinet too. So come on into the bedroom. This is so spacious, it's crazy. With the bedroom, it's got the slide out, so it's got a little bit more room than, whoever complained about more space. You know what I mean? Like, no one. But anyway, so yeah, you got your bedroom here. It's a walk around queen, super beautiful. It's also got the access, the second entrance straight into the bedroom. So if you wanted to get in here and take a quick nap, you can totally do that. Really awesome. Nice dresser right here, as well as some drawers for anything like that you need. Guys, there's lots and lots of space here. It's crazy. And then you have the oversized closet here. So take a look into the closet area first. Like, look at that. I know you're gonna be happy with that. Usually people are like, oh yeah, we don't really have, I mean, there's not a lot of closet space, but this one, you don't have that complaint. You also have a place for a washer and dryer. You can stack it up on top of each other, or use it as extended closet space. So this is just really, really cool. Nice spacious room, access into the bathroom, access in straight from the outside into here. It's just absolutely insane. This is a very nice model, guys. I get excited about it because I love it. It's so awesome. But anyway, so if you like this video or like any other features, please like and subscribe to our channel. If you want to find out anything about this rig, or if you have any questions, feel free to call me, okay? My name is Kyle. I will love to help you out. You can call me at 541-799-8794. Would love to talk to you. Happy capping, and we'll see you later.